Okay, everybody, today we're going to do a sous vide turkey breast. So we're going to do it in the sous vide, and I'll show you all that stuff here in a second, for 2 hours and 45 minutes, and then we're going to throw it on the grill for a little while to crisp it up. So I did this at Thanksgiving. It turned out really well, so we're going to do another batch. Okay, so I got about a 3.5 pound turkey breast, boneless. There's the sous vide device. Got some, I'm going to put some stuff in here with it. I'll put a little garlic powder, a little pepper, some salt, olive oil, sous vide bags, and the pot. So we'll get it all set up and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, just prepping the breast here. I got about a 3.5 pound turkey breast. It came with a little pack of gravy. I just threw that away. Making it like this, you're not going to need the gravy. So what we're going to do is I just put some seasoning on it. So I put, like I said, put the salt, the pepper, some little garlic on there. I'll put it in this bag right here with a little bit of olive oil. Let it sit there for a little while. I left the string on there because you want it to be held together. You want to eliminate air and you want to hold it together. So I'm just going to leave the string on it. I did that last time. It worked out fine. This one does have some skin on it. I was tempted to take it off, but it'll be fine either way. We're going to put it in the water. First, we're going to get the water up to 145 with the sous vide, and we're going to leave it in there for 2 hours and 45 minutes. I know people think that you need to get turkey to 165 in order to kill the salmonella and other bad stuff. But if you keep it at 145 for 25 minutes, then it also kills all that stuff. So that's what we're going to do and it keeps it moist and delicious. So anyway, I'm going to do that. I'll be right back. Okay, there's what it looks like in the bag. I just used a little pump to suck all the air out with this little hole there. It's all kind of vacuum sealed in, and next step is get the water going. Okay, we got the sous vide running, 93 degrees right now. It's going to take a little while to get it up to speed. It's a good amount of water. It's a pretty big pot. I'm going to make sure that it fits all the way in there and it keeps the temperature right. So up to 94, slowly increasing. When it gets to 145, I'm going to clip the turkey in and let it cook. Okay, the sous vide got up to 145. Took a long time. Got it in there. Lesson learned. Probably should have started with hotter water and maybe not quite as much water. So kind of went up to right to the brim. Anyway, this thing would not do 5-minute increments, so I did it for 2 hours and 50 minutes. But I'll just, 5 minutes here or there in a sous vide doesn't make a difference really. So anyway, I'll take it out when it's done and we'll see how it looks. Okay, here we are. It's been about 2:45, a couple minutes over, no big deal. I'm gonna take it out here and we'll see how it looks. Okay, well there it is. It smells amazing. It looks terrible. So I'm gonna get the netting off. I'm gonna let this rest for a little while. While it's resting, I'm gonna get the grill fired up and we'll get that going. All right, so I happen to choose a cold, early December night to do this, but I've got the Napoleon. So firing up the Napoleon grill, let it get warmed up. I do love this grill. It's amazing. This thing, I can do everything with it. So I'll let that warm up while the turkey is resting, and then we'll throw it on there. I got it outside. The grill's just about ready. I took off the netting, and there was a layer of just kind of skin and fat. I took that off. Just gonna throw this on the grill here in a couple minutes and crisp it up. It looks delicious though. It smells great. Just putting it right directly on the grill. I haven't tried this before. Like I said, the last time I did this at Thanksgiving, we threw them in a deep fryer. But my father-in-law suggested I put it on the grill. So he does this with steaks that he cooks in the sous vide. So it gets to go. So keep it on there a couple minutes aside, just crisping it up. Okay, it's getting crispy. I'm trying to crisp it up on all the sides, all the way around it. Give it a few more minutes. Not taking long at all though. Okay, got it off the grill. Got a little crisp on it. Gonna pair it up with some salad here. So let me slice it up a little bit and see how it is. All right, I just carved up a little bit of it and tried it. It's delicious. Some good looking turkey. I'll be honest, I like the crisp on it better with the deep fryer, but that is a lot of work. getting the oil up to 350 and dropping it in there, but grill's easier and it tastes amazing. So sous vide turkey, 2 hours and 45 minutes at 145, and throw it on the grill. Amazing.